International.
Yeah.
Holiday. Kind of. So just at the airport at the moment. We're going back to New Zealand for Dad's birthday. So it's been a couple of months since Dad died. An interesting one. There seems to be life before Dad died and life after Dad died. So things lately have been triggering me for no apparent reason, like high school songs, like Blink-182. Even the end of Planet of the Apes when Caesar dies. Sorry to whoever hasn't seen Planet of the Apes yet. But yeah, it'll be good to go back home and hang out as a family. And yeah, I'm not really sure the plan yet, but Dad's birthday is in a couple of days, so probably a lot of eating. Yeah, just chilling at the airport. I think there's been a delay. I think the plan is for us to check out Hobbiton. Oh, we can do Tongariro again.
Yay.
Got our gymnastic rings with us.
Do we?
Yeah. Loz wants to buy a kettlebell when they're there, but it's probably not going to happen.
Want to bet?
What do you do at the airport? You go to Rebel Sport and find out how much kettlebells are. Be careful because that week in Auckland you might get detrained. You need to take a kettlebell with you everywhere.
Sure, she said that.
And we are off to New Zealand. Spud me. Spud it. Bang!
I am just gonna like zone out to myself for the next hour, and then I'll be happy to talk and listen to your larrikinism. Woohoo!
Dr. Laws. Dr. Laws.
Crazy.
My bags.
Your bag should be on the carousel, sir. Can you check on the carousel?
General consensus so far is that it is now in Melbourne. Hopefully there's a couple of flights coming in from Melbourne, so if it gets brought over this like before 9 o'clock, we'll get them and they'll get delivered to the house. If not, guess we'll have to buy a pair of gymnastic rings and some clothing. High five.
You don't have the bag.
You good? What's the plans tonight, Mikhail?
Fireworks!
Fireworks? Yeah.
Yeah.
Congrats, Loz. Dad. Mom.
Dad and mom.
Mom. Jackie married.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Paula.
Changing probably.
Oh, Paula.
Ariella.
Let's play flag.
I'm doing my cake machine.